Those may look like buffalo, but they're not, and they're crispy like they were deep fried, but they weren't. We're getting color and flavor from a guajillo and heat from a japonesa that need to be microwaved first. And you could use breasts, but I prefer thighs for this. Cut into bite-sized pieces. Well, man-sized pieces, I guess. But we gotta give it some flavor. By grating your garlic, you're gonna get the maximum garlic flavor. And whatever you do, don't use that jarred shit, please. A little wine of some sort will infuse all this flavor, and soy sauce instead of salt. And stealing right out of the Chinese restaurant playbook, baking soda, egg white, and potato starch in a technique called velveting. Not only are we infusing flavor, but we're stopping that crispy coating. The sauce starts with garlic, but we gotta bloom it first. That garlic is sizzling and barely getting golden. Time for a piece of cinnamon, a couple cloves, mustard seed, and Szechuan peppercorn. If you toast your spices, it blooms them and releases their flavor. When everybody's toasty and ready, they go in, along with those chilies we rehydrated earlier. Soy sauce is our salt, vinegar for tang, sweet and spicy. Sweet comes from the honey, and also from ketchup, but not regular ketchup, banana ketchup, and a little American ketchup. Why not? Here we go. That's the right texture. And that's the right color. That's not buffalo sauce. A little cornstarch slurry will give us the right texture. But of course you gotta bring it to a boil for that cornstarch to work. Potato starch is the key to this crispy coating. You want some on the bottom and some on top. The beauty of this is you don't have to deep fry. All you need is a non-stick pan. Just remember not to overcrowd. Don't cook them on too high of a temp and flip them as you go. Smells like fried chicken, and now looks like fried chicken. But we're not done quite yet. If you want your chicken to be extra crispy, you fry it a second time. Give everybody a little toss, and then add the sauce.
Well, it's not buffalo.
Gotcha.
There's layers of flavor going on. That crisp is amazing. It's like a boneless wing. Even under the sauce, you got crisp.
That's a mind
Crispy, tangy, sweet chicken, not deep fried. What the
Who doesn't like crispy chicken with sweet, tangy, spicy sauce dipped in ranch?
It's amazing. Who wouldn't want that?